Today is going to be a really fun and casual video. You are here to get a sneak peek in what's inside IPSY's Boxycharm box and their icon box. I have both of them and I can't wait to show you. IPSY Boxycharm box. I'm going to put it down and open it and read the insert. Here is the insert and it says, "Born to Bloom. This month is a reminder to bloom at your own pace and find beauty in every step of the journey, no perfection required." And I'm excited to see what's inside the box this month. The first item is from Glow Recipe and it says Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Cube Drops. And I've used their other product without the tint, so I'm excited to see how this will be on my skin. And here is the bottle right here. And I wonder if this has a color. And it says your favorite dewdrops with a tinted twist. This multi-use brightening serum combines clinically effective skincare ingredients with beautiful bronzy finish. So this will be fun to experiment with and just have amazing skin for spring and summer. The next item is from Rodial. Here's the packaging. And it's called Pink Diamond Lifting Oil. Lift and Illuminate. It has vitamin C, marshmallow root, and diamond powder. So let's take it out of the container. Here it is. This is a product that is new to me. And if I read off the package, it's a velvety lightweight oil to smooth the complexion with diamond powder and lifting complex for a rejuvenated plump look. Oh, this sounds really nice. So you would use it before your makeup. I love that it's an oil and my skin gets dry during spring and summer. So I love the finish of an oil. My skin just soaks it all up. And this will be really nice to use. Here is the next item and it's from Merci Handy and it's a facial cleansing gel and it has a combination of 3 ingredients. It says niacinamide, zinc, gluconate, and salicylic acid. So I love smelling skincare. Oh, that has a lovely scent, clean, refreshing with a hint of cucumber. So I was actually, when I was taking a shower this morning, I thought I really need like a facial cleanser in my shower, and I think this will be a perfect solution. The next item is from Huda Beauty. It is the Faux Filler Ultra Shine Lip Gloss. And the shade is Sugar Baby. Let's open this up. You guys, I'm really weird. I like to be very gentle with my packaging. And so I just want to, I don't know, it's just something that I do. But oh, look at this. This is so pretty in this glass box, or actually maybe it's plastic, the packaging, but it does supposed to mimic glass. And I think that this shade is so pretty. Put a swatch on my wrist. I don't know if you guys can see it. That is what it looks like. So it's supposed to offer high shine, blurring effect, and a smoothing effect infused with vegan collagen. So that sounds so lovely. I think this shade is really pretty. It's like a warm mauve rosy pink. And I can't wait to try it out. So the last item is a hair care item and it's from Olaplex. It's their Volumizing Blow Dry Mist. I have not used this before. A protective volumizer shields from heat and humidity all hair types. Again, I've got to smell it. It's a really subtle floral scent, very, very light. A heat and humidity protective volumizer for weightless full body blowouts and touchably soft, shiny, visible, healthy hair. So I'm currently not using any heat appliances on my hair because I'm trying to nurture my chemically processed damaged hair right now. But when I'm ready, I think I want to give my hair another month before I incorporate a diffuser. But when I do, I'm going to try this on my hair and spray it to protect my hair from the heat. So those are the 5 items from May's IPSY Boxycharm box. all full size, all from incredible brands. Really grateful to receive each of those products, and if there's one of those that stand out to you that you'd really like to try, please leave a comment below, and you know, maybe we can share notes with each other. Here is the icon box for May 2025. It's actually quite substantial. I haven't really looked into it, so we're gonna do it together and see what's inside. Okay, I'm opening it and I'm pulling out their pamphlet inside, their newsletter here. Here is a close-up of the stylish cover. The sisters here, Erin and Sara, are so beautiful, and I'm excited to see what they have curated for this month's box. The first item is from Kopari, and it is the Body Bumps Be Gone Smoothing Body Lotion. It has 9% AHA. I love body care products. I'm really excited to try this. Oh, it has a little tab. Let's take it off, because again, I want to smell it. Oh, it smells really good. It's earthy with a little hint of floral, and this is perfect. I am planning on extending my shaving routine. I just go to like my kneecap, but now that it's spring and summer, I'm gonna extend it all the way up to my thighs. And I hate having like that bumpy look, and this is gonna be great because it's gonna help those bumps from shaving, from irritation, from skin just disappear. This is what they're, you know, proposing, so I'm excited to try this. Next is a product from Origins. And gosh, I'm just feeling so spoiled with all of the items here so far. And it's called their Youthtopia Peptide Plumping Apple Cream. So, oh guys, I wish you could smell it. Look at the texture of this cream. It's gonna be really rich and nice. Again, it smells so good, really refreshing. And the words are like, I need a magnifying glass because the words are really teeny, but it says it's formulated with apple oil fermented with apple peels and acetyl hexapide 8. Avoid eye area. But I love that it has natural ingredients. It's gonna be really nice to try. I think it's really cool that the lid kind of stands out from the base of the bottle like this, so it's really easy to grab and screw off. And I know I've used the word excited so much, but I can't help it because I truly am excited. The next item here is from BeautyStat. This is a brand new to me, and it is their Universal Triple Action Daily Pill. So you can use this daily, and it has, how many packets? It has 10 treatments in here, and they are all housed in this little container. And it says dull skin makes skin look older, which is true. As cell turnover declines with age, which is true. This one-step pill achieves clinical results at home, brightens, smooths, evens, and firms immediately for younger looking skin. And you can use this morning or night, and you massage into clean, dry skin for 20 seconds, wait 2 minutes until dry, and then you follow up with your skincare. So I am excited about this because I'm looking for any way to keep my skin radiant, youthful looking, anything to help increase cell turnover so your skin looks vibrant and plump. I am all game for. The next brand is from Kosas, and it is Blush is Life Baked Dimensional Brightening Blush. That sounds really cool. Let me open it from the bottom. So just, oh, it has a seal. So I'm gonna gently break it. There we go. Thanks for waiting. Okay, I have it coming. Oh, their packaging is so nice. I really love like the tint of blue in it. And the color is Hype. How do we open this sweet little thing? Oh wow. Here's the shade, and it has like two shades like all swirled inside. I'm gonna swatch it, guys. I'll just put it right at the top of my hand. Oh, that's gonna be really great. And it's really setting in my skin really nice. You guys see the color? There we go. So So again, it's a baked dimensional brightening blush. A clean, silky smooth powder brush baked with skincare activates in dimensional color duals that add an instant swipe of life to your face. And it has squalene and hyaluronic acid. And you swipe it onto your brush and then tap out excess before you apply it on your skin. And it says to start with a small amount and then build up to your desired intensity. And yeah, it is definitely silky smooth. What do you guys think so far of all the items in the icon box? I think there's some really incredible products in there. The next item in the box is from Olehenricksen. And I have to say, I'm not very familiar with this brand, though I have heard really great things. So I am so glad that this is in my box so I can get to try it out. Glow 2 OH Dark Spot Toner. And it says to use it at night, you pour it onto a cotton pad and swipe over your clean, dry face in a circular motion. Shake well before using. And what it's going to do is target dark spots, fine lines, wrinkles, and skin texture with 7% AHAs and witch hazel water. That sounds like a really brilliant idea. And take the little seal off, because again, I got to smell. Wow, that smells really good. It has a little bit of like, I want to say vanilla and like I don't know, like a citrus burst in it, but it's really subtle. Excited, my favorite word of this whole video. I'm excited to use it. Why? Actually, I feel like I'm like developing a dark spot like right around my eyebrow right here, and this is what I think it's from. I think it's from driving and then like the sun shining through the windshield. Let's see how this transformed my skin. I'm glad it's in the icon box. The next item is right here in this cute little package. It's from Makeup by Mario, and I loved their line. I love his line. And ooh, it has like a brush, like matte finish. The lip color called Petal Glow. You know what? I actually have used this before because for my, you know how at Sephora where you get like a birthday gift, where I chose Makeup by Mario's beauty sampler, and it had his eyeliner and it had this in it, and it was my first time trying Makeup by Mario, and it was like the perfect, prettiest like nude pink on my lips, and my lips looked really hydrated, glossy, and the touch of color was so pretty. So this is perfect that now I have a full size because I've almost used it up. This package here, it is a leave-in soothing scalp serum from JooY, fermented with ACV and fermented algae. Superfoods to help soothe, detoxify, and relieve your scalp. This is perfect timing because in my last video, I honestly was talking about a happy scalp, and a happy scalp means that that scalp is clean and detoxified, and you know, all the gunk and impurities from products and whatever's in the air is removed from your scalp, and when your scalp can breathe, you can grow long, beautiful hair. And it looks like this product will help you do just that. What great timing. And look at that packaging, it's beautiful. And here's the dropper. Oh, you guys, it smells so good. And let's see what it says. Safe for all hair types, including colored and chemically treated. That is me right now. And it says section hair and massage 2 to 3 drops directly into dry scalp. Do not rinse. So this is perfect. You guys, scalp care is so important. I think there needs to be more attention on that, and I am excited to try this. Final product here, and it's, gosh, it's really in this like protective box. So we got the box. Oh, it's Natasha Denona, their bronze palette. Okay, oh nice. You guys, when I scroll through Facebook, I will get ads from Natasha Denona, and I just am so captivated by how she applies her makeup. All the models look incredible with the makeup looks, and all the different palettes. Like, it's just so mesmerizing to watch those steps and to see how you have a bare eye and how it transforms into something just so stunning. And speaking of stunning, look at the colors. I am crazy about the colors. It's again their bronze palette. It has some matte colors, the dark black to kind of smoke out your eyes, and then we've got the shimmers. So this is going to be so pretty and so relevant for spring and summer because they've got colors like suntan and alloy and true copper and bliss and silk and beach and true blondes. So this is going to be so fun to play with. I feel like Erin and Sara Foster did an amazing job curating an icon box with a variety of products from body care, hair care, blush, eyeshadow, serums to just really level up your body, beauty, cosmetic routines and just make you feel amazing and beautiful. And that's what my goal is too, is to share with you products and tips to just make you feel incredible and confident in the skin that you're in. Thank you so much for watching. Drop a comment below and let me know if you have used any of the products and if you swear by them, or if there's some in there where you're like, don't even bother. But I would love to hear your feedback. If you found this video valuable, like, subscribe, and I'm so glad to have you here, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.
I want slow love, uncomplicated touch, stable as we go, consistent as we grow. I